Prompted by petitions and requests from various stakeholders, the Inspectorate of Government conducted a thorough investigation and uncovered additional issues.
But there's no provision in NSSF Act that if someone resigned from the board, they should be paid for the amount, for the time they would have stayed serving on the board. And this is what happened and caused that loss, and that loss has to be paid for. And we find the the managing director, former, and director for finance to be equally responsible.
The comprehensive report, including an extensive summary and extensive documentation, has been submitted to the Minister for Labour, Gender and Social Development and shared with key stakeholders such as the President and Parliament.
We also discovered a financial loss of 4.4 billion shillings, where Mr. Richard Byarugaba and the Director for Finance, Mr. Stevens Mwanje, caused a financial loss. The financial loss when they authorized irregular payments to staff who exited under voluntary early retirement, an exit package not backed by law.
The investigation's findings highlight the need to address the minister's influence over the budget, resolve land ownership disputes, promote gender inclusivity in the NSSF board, and rectify financial losses from irregular payments.
The minister was within her right to direct amendment of the budget. Therefore, refusal by the managing director to include the minister's proposal in the budget for the board's approval was an act of insubordination which should have been handled in accordance with NSSF disciplinary policy. We therefore recommend that regulations need to be developed or Section 29 subsection 3 amended to regulate the minister's power over the budget.
To ensure transparency and accountability, the complete report will be made publicly available.
That the Managing Director, Mr. Richard Byarugaba, received gratification from a company called Symbion in form of redesigning his house in Imbuya in exchange for business, specifically the contract for the proposed development of Yusufu Road.
The report exposes the extent of mismanagement and corruption during Byarugaba's tenure and aims to initiate appropriate actions to restore trust and integrity within the NSSF. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.